This is David. We're in a 2018 1LT Traverse, and I'm going to show you the new feature on the screen for the rear climate control. So right here on your home screen, rear climate, turn it off. That's on now. You can do just the bottom, top and bottom, or just the top. Bring the temperature up. Change it like that. Rear auto, just auto, and then just turn it off right there. You can also have control in the middle row. We'll let you do that also. But then back to your home screen back there. If you have any questions on the rear climate, you can see me down at Phillips Chevrolet in Frankfurt.